This jump demonstration shows how to fit a decision tree, also called a partition model. We're using the recovery dataset. Half the data will be used for model fitting or training, 25% for validation, and 25% for testing. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Predictive Modeling, Partition. Percent recovered goes in the Y role. Incoming quality through valve 19 pressure go in the X role. The validation column is already assigned to the validation role because it has a pre-selected role. I'll click OK. The initial graph shows a scatter plot of the response by rows. The x-axis is ordered randomly. You can click the Split button to split the data into two groups. And of all splits, splitting on valve 19 pressure at 46.997 gives the largest separation in the mean response. Clicking the Go button will keep splitting until the next 10 splits do not improve the R-squared value on the validation set. The split history graph shows the validation R-squared value decreases after 47 splits. Of course, as the model keeps getting more complex with more splits, R-squared on the training set just keeps increasing, and the more complex model would overfit the data. To compare this decision tree model to other models, we can use the R-squared value on the validation set, which is about 63%. From the red triangle, you can view the actual by predicted plot on the training, validation, and test sets. Or you can ask for the column contributions report to see which columns are most important for the model. Or you can ask for the prediction profiler for model visualization and optimization.